Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and you are welcome. You guys know I love my pasta dishes. Today I am going to show you how to make this delicious prawns and scallops pasta. So stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my scallops, which I purchased from my local supermarket and I just left it out to thaw. I also have my king prawns. I have some chopped shallot, some finely chopped chilies. Feel free to omit if you don't like spicy food. I have freshly chopped parsley, garlic, my stir-in tomato sauce. I have some smoked paprika, garlic granules. I'll be using rigatoni pasta, but feel free to use any pasta of your choice. I have some jumbo crayfish flavoring stock. I have oyster sauce, light soy sauce, some olive oil, black pepper and white pepper. As always, all ingredients including measurement will be in the description box below. Firstly, I have added water to a pot and I'm now going to season the water with a little bit of salt, and I will bring the water to a boil. As the water has come to a boil, I'm going to add my pasta and I will cook according to the cooking instructions on the packaging. I'm going to add the scallops to the prawns, and next I'm going to add my seasonings. As I've added all my seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together. I will set this aside for later use. Now time to get started on making the pasta. In a wok or pan, add olive oil and allow the oil to come to heat. As the oil has come to heat, I'm just going to add my shallot and garlic. I will fry this until fragrant and translucent. I'm going to add the chilies and I'll simmer on low to medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm now going to add the prawns and scallops and I'll simmer this on low to medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Prawns and scallops don't take that long to cook, and I don't want to overcook my seafood, otherwise it will become rubbery. And everything smells so good. I'm now going to add the tomato and basil stir-in sauce. I ended up using 2. Initially I was going to use 1, but looking at the quantity of my pasta, I ended up using 2. I'm now going to season my sauce by adding oyster sauce, light soy sauce and my jumbo crayfish flavoring stock. And I'm sure you're probably wondering, why am I adding light soy sauce and oyster sauce to this pasta dish? And guys, I actually tried this recipe before recording it so I can share with you, and it was amazing. The day I made it, I said, oh my goodness, I have to make this again so I can share it with you guys, and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. All my Italian friends, please don't hate me. I've just added my fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, feel free to add dry parsley and just mix everything together well. Don't forget to taste and adjust seasonings if needed. and my pasta is ready. I'm going to drain the water, ready to add it to the sauce. I'm now going to add my pasta. I'll mix everything together and the prawns and scallops pasta will be ready. Guys, as I mentioned, this is the second time I am making this recipe and I just cannot wait to tuck in. My mouth is literally salivating. And why? Because it tastes divine. If you love your pasta dishes like myself, you definitely have to try this. It's absolutely delicious. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and please click that notification bell which will notify you whenever I post new recipes like this. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.